Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by protecting the area and keeping your hands clean. Put on gloves and lay down a drop cloth. Next, grab the roller frame and press the end cap to release the cover. Slide the roller toward the center and lift it off. If paint is still wet, use a putty knife to scrape off excess. Once done, set the cover aside to be cleaned or soaked in warm water or an appropriate solvent so it softens for removal. Now inspect the roller frame closely. Spin the cage to check for smooth rotation and look for rust or dried paint that blocks movement. Use a stiff brush and solvent to clean metal parts and employ a wire brush on stubborn flakes. Make sure to dry the frame thoroughly afterward. If bearings are worn or the cage is bent, replace them or gently bend the metal back so the roller will rotate freely. This keeps paint application even and prevents streaks when you reuse the roller. Finally, slide the new roller cover onto the frame until it seats firmly. Make sure the seam faces away from your wall to reduce lap marks. Load the cover evenly by rolling it on the tray slope and roll off excess so it holds paint without dripping. Once covered, roll slowly on scrap material to check for shedding and even application. If you see streaks or poor rotation, stop and reseat the cover or clean the frame. This quick test saves time and prevents problems on the main surface.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.